Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this garage door opener. You don't need any tools, but you do need your fresh battery, and then you also need, I think a dime works best to open this up. So basically this portion right here is going to come up, and this is also where you get in to access the code for this. But I think a dime works best not to mess up, not to destroy this plastic too much. So insert this here, twist it, and then I like to put my fingers here and kind of leave a little gap so I can go around, open it up like that. So basically there is little indentations right there that kind of hold it in. Okay, so once you have access here, this is where you can also change the coding if you need to. Take out your old one, pop in your new one, and before you put the cover back on, go ahead and test it. Make sure you're back in action, see your red dot. And this just goes in like this, and you got to be pretty firm with it because on either side there's that little indentation. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.